At the Department of the Built Environment, we are excited to offer a unique engineering degree that integrates engineering, management, finance, and law for the built environment, the Bachelor's of Engineering in Infrastructure and Project Management. I am Associate Professor Stephen Tay, and it gives me great pleasure to share more about the program with all of you. Now, if you're interested in leading complex projects successfully, building cities' infrastructure and systems that last, and manage infrastructure and assets with appreciating value, then the IPM program is for you. We are ranked 9th in the world for built environment education, and hence you can be assured of a quality undergraduate experience. Some key differences between the IPM program and other programs are shown in this slide. First, we have a distinct finance emphasis that allows students to integrate finance and engineering to provide a unique combination and highly marketable skill set. Second, there's an emphasis on sustainability, which allows for students interested in the topic to deepen their passion in this area through the specialization in sustainable green buildings. And this is offered for IPM students. Third, we train our students to cultivate and hone their leadership and management skills, and specifically to handle legal and financial dimensions in the built environment. To sum the above 3 points, the BEng IPM program represents the integration of engineering, management, finance, and law, where with one degree, you can have infinite possibilities. So what do we teach our students that enable them to be so highly sought after in the industry? This is where we go to the next slide. These are the core courses that our students engage with in the IPM major. And if we take a step back, you will notice the words management, finance, and law interspersed within the engineering major. Now, in addition to the core courses, we have several electives listed in this slide that offer students who are interested to deepen their knowledge in project management, cost and contract management, facilities management, and sustainable and digital technologies. In addition to the electives shown in the previous slide, we are also excited to share our specialization in sustainable green buildings that consists of the following courses to signal to prospective employers the relevance of our graduates in contributing to sustainable built environments. Now, we understand that wellness is a key aspect of the undergraduate experience with us, and hence we have curated events with our undergraduates for our undergraduates. Now, these activities that you see in these slides span from a hike at the Marina area, the Labrador area, tea sessions, and therapy sessions with furry friends. And notice the smiles from those involved in the photos. Now, these smiles are fulfillment for us, as we find that when we organize these events, our students' well-being are improved. Now, we realize that walking in the park nor drinking tea would increase a person's grades, and hence we recognize that there's a need for peer tutoring for students within our midst that may need help. Now, these sessions have received positive feedback in the past for students who struggle with subjects like math, physics, and coding, because your academic and mental wellness are important for us at the department, and we care for each and every IPM student. In our well-being check-ins with our students, we also recognize that students sometimes struggle with academic commitments and part-time work to help fund their studies, and hence in the department, we believe that students should not be disadvantaged of quality education just because they are struggling financially. Hence, we have prepared the IPM Study Awards and the IPM Masters Prize. Now first, the IPM Study Awards are awarded for students who first indicated IPM as their first choice under engineering, and second, fulfill a certain grade criteria. Now, the IPM Study Awards is broken into 3 tiers. In the third tier, it is valued at $4,000. The second tier is valued at $8,000. And the first tier is valued at $12,000. In addition, we also have a Master's Prize for students who are keen to pursue a Master's after their undergraduate education with us. And that Master's Prize is valued at about $50,000. Now, in addition to the IPM Study Awards and Master's Prize, we also have scholarships with the industry partners and government agencies that you can see in this slide. So what do our students do? Now, we engage with several teaching approaches, from practical hands-on experience with robotics and digital twins in the Center for 5G Digital Building Technology. We also engage with experiential learning for IPM students with industry-standard design tools, and even site visits to engage with case studies that deepen their appreciation of the subjects taught. Beyond the classroom, we encourage our students to go overseas to acquire valuable experience in a different culture. And as you can see from these slides, our students are enjoying themselves from the smiles on their faces, and some of them even partake in activities that are unique to the city that they are visiting in their overseas experience. Now that we've talked a lot about the student experience, we will now focus on our professors. Now, we are proud at the Department of the Built Environment that our faculty members are distinguished individuals in both research, as shown in the photo on the left, and in teaching, as shown in the photo on the right. Now, to help with employability of our graduates, we are also pleased to share that the IPM degree has acquired Green Mark Associate, or GMA, certification by the Singapore Green Building Council, or SGBC. In addition to the GMA certification by SGBC, we have also acquired Tier 2 and Tier 4 recognition by the Accreditation Board of the Digital Delivery Management, or DDM, under the Built Environment Skills Framework. Now, taking a step back, the IPM degree is the first and only undergraduate degree in NUS to be recognized by both SGBC and Building Smart Singapore. Now, our students come from a diverse background, but they all come with one common goal or denominator, and that is they are all passionate in leading, building, and managing projects. These students join us in IPM, and then they acquire valuable internship experience in the following roles that you see in this table in this slide before they gain meaningful employment in the following organizations that you see in this slide over here. And if you were to take a step back and look at all these logos, we can see that the organizations that our graduates work for range from public, private, local and overseas organizations, and even banks. For example, our graduates shown in this slide hold roles in the APAC region for JLL, digital transformation in JTC, where he was involved with the carbon calculator, investment and asset management in private equity, sustainability consultant for McKinsey & Company, quantity surveying at Asia Infrastructure Solutions, and ESG consulting at PIA from CBRE. At the bottom, you'll find that 6 out of 11 areas within the Skills Framework for Built Environment Career Pathways are areas that our graduates can find employment in. For more details, we encourage you to visit our program website where you'll find additional resources and information. Now with that, we look forward to welcome you to the College of Design and Engineering.